Ever look at a free AI tool release and immediately think, wow, I bet someone out there is quietly getting rich right now using this exact technology? That precise scenario is currently playing out in real time for all the smart creators who are leveraging the impressive power of NotebookLM. These savvy users are effortlessly spinning out high-quality AI podcasts, detailed mini educational series, and entire content funnels that generate consistent website traffic and actual revenue. If you haven't experimented with it yet, NotebookLM is genuinely wild because you simply feed it documents, YouTube links, or raw transcripts, and it instantly spits out polished, long-form spoken content. The main hurdle that stops many new creators dead in their tracks is the immediate worry. How do I avoid sounding like every other channel using the same two generic default stock voices? I need you to absolutely stick with me because I am about to reveal a complete tested workflow that instantly elevates that standard NotebookLM audio into something far more unique and definitely more clickable. The complete system involves creating the core episode in NotebookLM, refining the voices with Descript and 11 Labs, and then letting Vizard automatically carve the best parts and schedule them everywhere. That whole process sounds complex, but trust me, after running through this workflow just 1 or 2 times, the whole thing will feel easier and more automated than you can possibly imagine. Step 1 is generating your entire long-form podcast or video script right there inside NotebookLM, which functions as your combined research, scripting, and narration engine. Go ahead and play around with the interface like it's your personal tireless research assistant for the day by dumping in all your reference materials. You can feed it PDFs, YouTube video links, or raw text documents, and then ask it to construct a detailed episode outline complete with talking points. The final output is a complete spoken episode ready to download as an MP3. And here's a pro tip. If a YouTube transcript is missing, use a free web tool to grab the text first. Next up is Step 2, where we use Descript as the crucial secret sauce for turning that raw, single audio file into editable tracks clearly labeled by who is speaking. You upload your master audio, let Descript transcribe everything, and suddenly you gain the power to mute any sections you absolutely do not want in the final polished cut. Exporting each isolated version, say a male-only track and a separate female-only track, allows you to treat each host's voice independently for maximum customization later. Descript is also incredibly handy for making quick, surgical fixes directly in the transcript, saving you substantial time before you even begin chopping clips for social media. Moving on to Step 3, which is optional but packs an enormous punch for uniqueness, revoicing and cleaning up the isolated tracks using the advanced features of 11 Labs. If you truly want your show to sound incredibly unique, this is where you can clone your own voice for one host and select a completely different high-quality AI voice for the other. You just need to be aware that these advanced voice cloning tools might introduce a separate monthly expense and definitely require a clean, decent sample of your actual voice to work perfectly. However, if speed is your absolute priority over perfect replication, there are dozens of premium stock voices within the platform that require zero upfront recording effort. Step 4 is bringing those newly processed speaker tracks back together so the episode flows naturally, either by re-importing into Descript or stitching them manually in your main video editor. Once everything sounds perfectly patched together, you export that final, fully polished, long-form episode because this unique audio is the critical source material for your short-form strategy. Most creators stop right here, but the real opportunity for massive growth comes from automatically turning that long content into a steady stream of viral-ready short clips. That's where Bob's Step 5 kicks in, because Vizard completely eliminates the soul-crushing manual labor of trying to find those perfect highlights and hours of raw footage. You simply upload your completed video, or even just the audio paired with a static background, and Vizard's AI instantly scans the whole thing to detect emotional spikes and concise hooks. The first major difference is the auto-editing viral clips feature, which finds those best 30-second moments for you and automatically edits them into social first aspect ratios. The second huge time saver is the auto-schedule function, letting you dictate how often you want new clips to post, and it queues them out automatically across days or weeks. Finally, the integrated content calendar keeps your entire posting strategy centralized, so you can preview, tweak captions, and publish everywhere from one single dashboard. While tools like Descript are amazing for editing via the transcript, they are not fundamentally built to intelligently surface your best moments for large-scale social distribution like Vizard is designed to do. Vizard bridges that specific gap, effectively turning hours of long, complex content into a steady, consistent drip feed of engaging organic posts across all platforms. For the ultimate authentic feel, try this favorite hack. Clone your voice in 11 Labs, overdub the entire NotebookLM script so it sounds exactly like you speaking, and upload that result to Vizard. Viewers are far more likely to deeply engage and trust content that sounds genuinely like a real human host instead of a generic, slightly robotic AI narrator. This entire multi-tool workflow is a legitimate business move because relentless consistency across all social platforms exponentially increases your chances of being discovered by new audiences. Repurposing just one 2-hour episode into 50 different short clips dramatically lowers your overall cost per piece of distributed content across the internet. Furthermore, the precious time you save from not manually editing and uploading can be reinvested directly back into deeper research or crucial community building efforts. Look, you could try to hack a solution using Descript, Capwing, and a separate scheduling tool, but that cobbled together process inevitably becomes clunky and frustratingly slow. Now, let's talk about how this whole system actually pays you. The key is using those short clips as powerful funnels to direct traffic toward a monetized asset. You can promote affiliate products mentioned in the main episode by teasing the advice in a short clip and sending people to your link in bio. Another strong tactic is using these captivating short clips as lead magnets to drive emails, which you can then sell a course or product to later. And of course, once your clips consistently pull in solid viewership, brands will start paying you to weave their sponsored segments directly into the long episode. If you want that deeper, step-by-step walkthrough on transforming NotebookLM into a true affiliate funnel with exact scripts, just say the word below. I'm committed to doing weekly breakdowns just like this one focused on AI and creator growth hacks, so if you want more, make sure you stick around and subscribe. For now, please drop a comment and tell me which part you found most interesting: the power of voice cloning, a full Vizard walkthrough, or the complete affiliate funnel strategy. As a thank you for watching, I'll share a free slide deck detailing every click, from optimal NotebookLM settings to a Vizard checklist for scheduling a month of content in just 30 minutes.